Hi, I'm from Kamalurthi, Beltech University. My project title is Socialistic Optimization Scheduling with Redundantly Distribute data for peer-to-peer mobile wireless network. The proposed system consists of peer-to-peer scheduling for network with multiple wireless devices. Subset of the devices are mobile users that decides specific files. Each is already have certain couple of files in its caching. So the user can interact to the user and also can interact to the access point. In my project, I'm introducing the user can download the package to the user and also the access point. This is the objective. One can initial channel where computer helper notes transmit with constant power and each and every slot. Alternatively, some of the access points can be from smaller computer plus to increase the capacity of the wireless system. In my existing system, the model of this paper applies to a variety of practical network situations. For example, access point can be wireless base station in a future cellular network that allows the both base station to user transmission, built as direct user to user transmission. It cannot and sufficient for us. In my proposed system, in the proposed station, we present the distributed algorithm for scheduling the multiple wireless for multiple source transmission in a wireless mobile P2P network. Our algorithm shows the efficiently on networks with arbitrary traffic and channel samples, including wireless network full capacity can be significantly extended by the peer-to-peer functionality. In the resulting algorithm extended previously more practical class of finite file size and non-peak frequency. In my project, I'm having four modules: peer-to-peer scheduling, access point, cellular network, and polynomial complexity. In my project, I'm having a number of users on one base station. Users can interact with the peer-to-peer and also interact with the stochastic optimization and the data center. In the proposed system, I'm introducing the data storage in my cache. So users can easily access the data. In the activity diagram, user refers to the queue analysis. Queue analysis means all the details in the queue analysis. Server response. Server response in the query is correct means it goes to the server response. If not sufficient means it will go to the peer response. In my sequence diagram, number of users on one base station. User requests the data to the base station and the base station responds to the um, uh, which data is available like that. User selecting a list of data and all the relevant data can be displayed in the base station. Access point it can be using for access point it can be using for all the it may be access server and in my project is a peer-to-peer scheduling. Peer-to-peer scheduling means the data sent user to user and also user to server. In my year diagram, I'm having seven tables. My main table is energy, and the subtitles are sub attributes are base path, connection, system details, possible path, possible delay, packet, graph. In my base path, I'm having cost, path, count, throughput, status. Okay, in my connection, I'm having status, node, neighbor, and IP address. In my system details, I'm having status, path, system name, and password. possible path, I'm having path count destination, path, possible delay. Count destination output path cost. Graph attribute graph table I'm having node range, node counts. In my packet I'm having node count. In my project, the nomination table not too important because all the users can be used. It not be a authorized one used. In my main form, I'm having node creation form, node login form, cancel form. Node creation form is using for node register. Node register, node login, and cancel form. Node register is nothing but node. One node. Access the access point of the user means it can be registered. First, it can be registered. How it can be registered means node name, password, nodes. Which type of node it can be registered? Like the register, we can node name we can enter any name, password, and select any node. Register connection and link. In my node login and node login, first we can register the node login and we can node no, first we can register the node and we can enter the node login. YouTube node login, node name and password. First login it cannot be recognized means we can cancel it. Node register means select the file or it can be browsed. It can be browsed and destination file send. The files can be transfer the data. So the files can be transfer the data set. Feasibility report. In my feasibility report, I am having the technical feasibility, operational feasibility, economical feasibility. Technical feasibility means the technical issues usually raised during the feasibility stage of the invention includes the following. Operational feasibility. Operational feasibility, the system is targeted to be responsible with above the well-planned design would ensure the optimal utilization of the computer resource and would help in the improvement performance status. Economical feasibility. The system can be developed technically and that it will be used if installed must be good investment for the organization. In my system design, input design and input stage and output design. In the purpose of the testing is testing the process of trying to discover. In my testing side, I'm having the unit test, integration test, functional test, system test, unit white box test, black box test. Unit test, I'm having the test strategy and approaches, test objectives, future to be considered. Integration test, software integration testing is the incremental integration testing. In the conclusion,
வீடியோ ரன் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறியா? இன்னும் ப்ராஜெக்ட் ரன் பண்ணலாம்.